Hi friends, my name is Rohan Vilas Kokre from Kokte Jokolekar College, first year Computer Science Department. Today we will discuss about IOB, means Internet of Behaviors. The Internet of Behavior is the analytic data collected from devices that are connected to Internet, or more commonly known as Internet of Things. Where is data collected? Consumer data is amassed from numerous sources including websites, social media, telematics, beacons, smartwatches, and sensors. Analyzing the collected data can help companies in numerous ways. These include personalizing. In their strategic prediction for 2020, Gartner announced that the internet behavior is something we will become increasingly aware of, and we might have to grapple with as a society. The Internet of Behaviors combines existing technology that focus on the individual directly, that is, facial recognition, location tracking, and big data, for example, and connects the resulting data to associate behavior events such as the cash purchases and device uses. Marketing tactics, products, and server development, and driving users experience doing, collecting and combine data from the different sources will create an aggregate data which help the companies create more holistic views and consumers. Again, this will further aid companies in marketing, in format and strategic business decisions. The Internet of Behavior will be prevalent by 2023. They predict that the individual activities of 40% of the global population will be tracked digitally in order to influence our behavior. That is more than 3 billion people. The IOB will change what it means to be human in digital world. You called say it this we move beyond merely adapting the technology to considering its ramifications. The IOB extends from the IoT, the interconnection device that result in vast variety of new data sources. This data might be specific to use as a customer data you have provided through the companies. But more often companies are gathering no customer information sharing across connected devices. Company using IoT to get use the change our behavior is not really about the thing at all. The IoT learning people with their actions. We will watch into IOB. Consider a health app on your smartphone that track your diet, sleep patterns, heart rate, and blood sugar level. The app can alert you to adverse situation and suggest the behavior modifications towards a more positive or desired outcome. When we use technology, emotion, decision, augmentations, and companionship, as companies learn more about the Internet of Things, they can affect our behaviors. Companies using the Internet of Things to get us change our behaviors is not really about the things at all. How does IOB work? IOB tracking behavioral data. It is recommending users videos and shows which they are more interested in. Even more, the latest technologies such as Siri, Google Home, and Alexa also study and interpret the data and behavior of the user to work more efficiently. Advantages of behavior. Innate behavior or instinct is important because there is no risk of incorrect behavior being learned. They are hardwired into the system. On the other hand, learned behaviors, although riskier, are flexible, dynamic, and can be altered according to changes in the environment. How does internet affect our behavior? As the amount of people who use the internet increase, so does the number of people who wish to inflict hurt upon others. In the other end, the internet causes people to behave more negatively, becomes more open to negative ideas, and become more susceptible to attacks, unrisk, conveniences, and internet shopping behavior. For now, companies mostly use the IoT and IOB to observe and attempt to change our behavior to achieve their desired goal. that is selling service to you. The bottom line is you don't have to concern about your data. Why internet is more important in our daily life. Today, the internet has become unavoidable in our daily life. Appropriate use of internet makes our life easy, fast and simple. The internet helps us with fact and figures, information and technology for personal,